Hey, I'm Zach, and this is Knobbler for iPad in 60 seconds. Knobbler for iPad is a big step forward for Knobbler, which is still the best parameter control service for Ableton Live on your iPad, but now with a lot more functionality. Map 2 pages of 16 sliders to the most important parameters in your live set. These mappings are saved with your live set, freeing you to work on different projects seamlessly. Use the blue hand page to access every parameter in the currently selected device, organized in sensible banks. Map a slider from Bluehand to a Knobbler page with only 3 taps. Get instant access to the 8 most important devices in your live set with device shortcut buttons. When you really need to dig into your live set, swipe in the navigation widget. Effortlessly dive into your tracks, groups, racks, chains, and devices to tweak just the right parameters. The channel strip is always available on the left to control sends, volume, panning, mute, solo, record arm, and even the crossfader controls. I made Knobbler to keep me more in the flow of making music and less hunting around the screen with the mouse. You can get Knobbler now in the App Store and see for yourself. So check it out and let me know what you think. Bye!